Hey everyone, today we will be performing an oil change on a 2012 Mercedes GL450 with a 4.7 liter V8 engine. Let's get started.
So let's go ahead and reset the oil light on this. So we'll go ahead and put the key in to position 1, and then we'll go ahead and use our arrow button here on the steering wheel. You want to be at miles, which is where we were, so that's good. And then we want to press this R button up here. There's 3 buttons above your driver information center display. There's an R. You want to press it 3 times. Now we're at battery voltage. Then we're going to go ahead and press the down arrow. And then we're going to go to service data. So now once we're at the service menu, we go ahead and hit our minus sign on the steering wheel here to go down. And then once we go to confirmation, we want to go hit our tab in or tab up or page up. Go ahead and we can just say we did a full service. Again, same thing, tab up or page up. This button right here. And then it says full service confirmed.
So that's how you perform an oil change on a 2012 GL450. As always, I hope you found the video helpful, entertaining, and educational. Thanks and take care.